confidently entrust the future government of the Somali nation. It was to be a socialist party of national consent. Such an experience was totally new to Somalia, and yet after so many years of struggle, development and achievement, the SRC, but as leader of the October Revolution, President Siad was awarded a specially cast medal from the Somali people. Hero of Somalia medals were then presented by President Siad to every member of the outgoing SRC, who had fought with and steered the revolution since its beginning in 1969. One by one, the members of the former government received their medals from the president. Finally, in his turn, the president received the same medal for his part also in the revolution. He said how glad he was to sense their genuine enthusiasm for the party. Today, he said, we are entering a new era in which every individual will find complete freedom in fulfilling his responsibilities to those around him and to the nation as a whole. There is a member country of various international groupings, among them the Organization of African Unity, the Arab League, and the Organization of Non-Aligned Countries. Today it speaks as a voice in the world at large, a voice to whose views on international relations and foreign policy the world pays ever-increasing attention and respect. In 1974, African heads of state assembled in Mogadishu, the Somali capital, to see President Siad take his turn as chairman of the Organization of African Unity.